And here we are. Hey, Matthew.
Hey.
So we're going to try to take down a limb that's overhanging a small white oak tree that we planted. So there's the white oak in question. And there is the tree branch that's overhanging it.
How about? There we go.
Okay. First attempt at tossing it over works.
Going in.
Go ahead and toss it over these toward me.
Trying.
Pull it down. There you go. Hey, that works. Okay.
Just gotta get enough centripetal force on it. Alright, can you grab that one and... Question. Do you want to rely on just one wraparound, or do you want to try and throw it up and over?
No, just one is good.
Okay.
Let it go, let it go,
Okay.
let it flow. There you go. Okay, so we got that.
When you're ready.
So now we have the rope attached to the outer part of the branch, and Matthew is going to try to get the
Ready?
other rope over. Yes.
Close. No cigar. That one. There we go.
That was awesome. Now, okay.
Wow.
This really is tight.
This is a workout.
Absolutely.
Too often.
Yeah. All right, how do I stop it?
You don't. You don't. Yeah, this branch is gonna come. All right, it's your oak tree.
This has to work. This is an $80 investment.
Oh, shit.
This is crazy. This is somewhat insane, I would say. Hold on a second. Okay, we've cut through most of the limb. Now we're just gonna see if we can pull this thing this way without hitting the tree. No. Yes.
Kill it.
Success. Okay.
Freaking hell.
I did get the tip. But
Yeah,
there are
sorry,
other
it was so
branches
far
reaching up. This might be okay. Well, that was quite an effort.
Yeah, I'm gonna go finish finish getting in there and doing the saw stuff.
Not sure we need to do anything more.
You just want to leave it like this?
I'll bring a chainsaw out and cut the rest of it up.